Sir, what's your response to this judgment, sir?
Well, it's like asking me somebody whose property is to be taken away by a stranger and you get justice. What will be your response? But frankly speaking, we're happy because we are really very worried about the satanic request by one Tonye who said that he should be declared as the winner. The Tribunal gets 4 judgments today, one Labour Party, one Accord Party, one APM, and then the Tonye Party. Of importance is that the party had pulled out from this petition, saying that we cannot be a party to this. After we have reviewed our facts, yet the same boy continued in disobedience to the party's decision. The tribunal has said it's unfortunate. We don't know what you are still doing here. When the party that sponsored you has said, look, we're not interested. Why are you still here? The party has left with this banner. So on what platform are you standing? So the lawyers will talk to you on the way, but for us as a people, we're happy so the governor can relax and do his work, even though he'll be doing his work, but we don't need much of this distraction again. So thank you very much.
So as a football fan, sir, what can you do?